Hello everyone, hope you are doing extremely well. In this video I am going to explain cadence algorithm using this problem maximum subarray. Let's get started. It is given here, we will be given an array and we have to find the subarray with the largest sum and we have to return that sum. Let me explain you what is subarray. There are two concepts, subarray and subsequence. Subarray is continuous part. If we take any continuous part of this array, it is subarray. And if we take any non-continuous part, suppose I have taken these two elements, I have left these two elements 1 and 2, and again I have taken two elements minus 3, 4, 1, and minus 5. Then this is the subsequence. They both are two different things, and here we have to consider the subarray. Now let's move further. We have to return the largest sum, and using cadence algorithm we can solve this problem in order of n. What we are going to do, cadence algorithm says that we have to find the sum. If we have to find the largest sum, then we have to traverse this array and again add the element while traversing in a variable. And cadence algorithm says that if that the value of that variable, let's say it is current sum, which is maintaining the current sum till now while traversing the array, and if it becomes negative, then we'll make it 0. If it is negative, then we'll make it 0, because if it is negative and then we are further adding other positive elements, it will decrease the overall sum. So there is no need to carry forward the negative sum. Hence we are making the 0. By making it 0, we are again fresh starting. We are making a fresh start from the next element for finding out the sum of the next subarray. We'll end our subarray when the current sum becomes negative, and we'll start finding out the sum of the next subarray. And at each step we'll find the maximum of that. We'll keep our variable answer, which will finally hold the maximum of all the sums of all the subarrays present in the given array. Let's see, let's code it. What I have said, I will apply this and code this problem. As I have told that I am going to keep a variable answer that is going to hold my answer after the loop of traversal. Initially, let's say initialize it with int min, because it's going to get hold the larger and larger value of the subarrays. And current sum, let's make it 0, because it's going to hold the sum at each step. And here let's find out the length of this array. Length is equals to nums dot size, and then for loop that will start from 0 till the length of the array, and at each step I will see if my current sum plus the current element, that is nums I, sum is negative, then I will make current sum 0. In the other condition, that is current sum plus nums I current element is positive, then we'll simply add the current element to our current sum. After that we will find out the maximum answer. From answer will be max of answer and current sum. At each step we will calculate the maximum here, and that will get stored in answer. and at last we will return this answer. This is the code, but there is little problem in this code. Let's try to run it. Here it should be plus equals to add each element, and semicolon also. These three test cases are passed, but let's say a test case, let us make changes in this test case. Let's say its value is -1. Our code will return the answer as 0 because this is one element -1, and our current sum is initially 0. So 0 plus -1 is -1, and here it will become 0 plus -1, that is -1. No, we will go in this. If 0 plus -1 is less than 0, we will make current sum 0, and here at this step answer will be 0 only, because current sum has become 0 at this step. Answer will be 0, but in this case our answer should be -1. This will not give -1 even if all other negative elements such are present, such that all the no positive element is present. Let's say -4, -3, and let's make it a smaller number, that is -5. Out of these three number, -3 should be the answer, as it is the largest number, as all the elements are negative. So the answer will be here, the largest number itself will be the answer. And in this case, when all the elements are negative, our code is going to give 0 answer. Well, but we will make here slight changes, so it will work for the case when all the elements are negative. We'll make the changes as if current sum plus nums I, if current sum plus nums I becomes less than nums I, means there is no use of adding the current element to our current sum, as it's only less than the current element. So we'll not add that. We'll stop our addition of counting elements for the current subarray. We'll start counting the elements and calculating their sum for the next subarray. For a fresh start, we'll make here nums I. We'll start from that element itself. So -5, 0 plus -5 is less than -5. No, it is not. It is equal to, so it will add -5. -5 is greater than this int min, because any integer that is just just greater than int min, it is the smallest integer int min. So any other number will be larger than this int min. So -5 will come here at current sum. Answer is smaller, so answer will be -5 at this step. At next iteration, our current element will be -4. -4 with -5 will make even smaller number. So -4 will come here in current sum, and -4 is greater than -1. So our answer will be -4 in this step, and at next iteration we'll compare it with -3. -3 will be the current element, and this will be the case. -5 -4 is negative, and -3 alone is greater than -5 and -4. So -3 will come in the current sum, and -9 and sorry, minus 4 and minus 3. Out of minus 4 and minus 3 is greater. So answer at the end will contain minus 3, and we will return this minus 3. So after making this slight change in the cadence algorithm, we this code will work for each case, whether our array is containing all positives, mix of positive negatives, and all negatives. It will work for every case. Now let's run it to see if it works. Yes, it is working fine for the element, for the array in which all the elements are negative. Let's try to submit it to see it if it works. Yes, it is accepted successfully. Hope you understood the concept of the change when array is having all positive elements, mixture of positive and negative, and all negative elements. So see you in the next video. If you like this video, you can press the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.